Water-wise landscaping, also known as xeriscaping, is a sustainable approach to landscaping that focuses on conserving water while creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. This type of landscaping is especially important in regions with water scarcity or drought conditions. Here are some key principles and tips for creating a water-wise landscape. Choose native and drought-tolerant plants. Select plants that are adapted to your region's climate and soil conditions. Native plants are naturally adapted to local conditions and require less water once established. Drought-tolerant plants, such as succulents, ornamental grasses, and Mediterranean plants, can also thrive with minimal irrigation. Group plants with similar water needs. Divide your landscape into zones based on the water needs of plants. Group plants with similar water requirements together. This allows you to efficiently water each zone according to its needs, reducing water wastage. Improve soil health. Well-draining soil is crucial for water-wise landscaping. Amend your soil with organic matter to improve its water-holding capacity while ensuring excess water can drain away. Good soil structure helps plants access water more effectively. Mulch for moisture retention. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or bark, around your plants. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. This reduces the need for frequent watering. Efficient irrigation. Use water-efficient irrigation methods, such as drip irrigation or soaker hoses, to deliver water directly to the root zones of plants. These methods minimize water loss due to evaporation and runoff. Smart watering practices. Water early in the morning or late in the evening when temperatures are cooler and evaporation is lower. Avoid watering on windy days to prevent water wastage. Limit lawn areas. Traditional lawns require a significant amount of water to stay green. Consider reducing the size of your lawn or replacing it with drought-tolerant ground covers, gravel, or other low-water alternatives. Hardscape design. Incorporate hardscape elements, such as pathways, patios, and rock features, to add visual interest to your landscape. These elements require little to no water and can complement your plantings. Rainwater harvesting. Install rain barrels or other rainwater harvesting systems to collect and store rainwater for irrigation. This can supplement your water supply and reduce the need for tap water. Regular maintenance. Prune and maintain your plants regularly to encourage healthy growth and efficient water use. Remove weeds that compete with your plants for water. Choose appropriate turf varieties. If you decide to have a lawn, choose drought-tolerant grass varieties that require less water. Consider reducing the size of your lawn and using turf only in areas where it's necessary. Use containers wisely. If you have containers in your landscape, select those with proper drainage and choose plants that are well suited to container gardening. Be mindful of the watering needs of container plants. Water-wise landscaping is not only environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective in the long run. By following these principles and adapting them to your specific climate and conditions, you can create a beautiful and sustainable landscape that conserves water while enhancing the beauty of your yard.